Alright guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to Brainy Bytes Tutorials. Okay, if this is your first time of coming to across this video, this is Brainy Bytes Tutorials. Okay, what we do in this channel is that we teach you guys tips and tricks to pass Jamb UTME exam. Alright, we also help you guys to gain admission. Okay, so if you want to become a member of our community, you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, okay, and give us anything on the comment section. If you have any question you want to ask, leave us a comment on the comment section. We'll be right there to answer you. Okay, the reason why you will join our community, it is because as a member of our community, anybody in our community that is looking for admission have a free one slot of admission in each school in Nigeria. Understand? We have a free one slot of admission for each and every member of our community, Okay, so if you want to join us and if you have written JAMB so many times, or you are afraid of losing your admission this year, or you don't want to miss your admission this coming JAMB, okay, or you don't want to fail JAMB this coming period, please just subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, so we'll guide you through. All right, so we know that JAMB is fast approaching and everybody will looking for where to register, more especially in Abia State. All right, because the reason for that is because JAMB is accredited so many centers in Abia State. Okay, so that's why where to register JAMB in Abia State becomes a problem. Okay, so that's why I've tried to make this video for you guys, so I can see places where you can go to register your JAMB in Abia State. All right, so if this video is actually what you are looking for, all right, stay tuned while I take into the video. All right, the first one on our list is Umuahia. That's the town. The town is Umuahia. So if you are in Umuahia, or if you are living close to Umuahia, you go to Amabo Nigerian Limited, number 3 Old Timber Road, Umuahia, Abia State. That is where you go. But the very first step to JAMB registration is that you must get your profile code. You must get your JAMB profile code. So if you don't know how to get your profile code yet, please, it's very, very necessary. Please, it's very, very necessary. Check my channel. You see a video on how to get JAMB profile code without making errors. All right, watch that video to direct you on how to get your profile code. So if you are still having any issues concerning your JAMB, your profile code, okay, let me know in the comment section. I'll be ready to answer you. All right, so the next one is still Umuahia again. We have JAMB Professional Test Center, PTC, JAMB State Office, near Obakala Junction, Port Harcourt/Enugu Expressway, Umuahia, Abia State. So you proceed to that place to get your JAMB with your profile code. Next one is Umuahia, SYZ Technologies, New Secretariat, beside UCDA building, off Asubeb Junction, Umuahia, Abia State. So you proceed to that place as usual. Next one is Umudike. We have Michael Okpa University of Agriculture, E-Test Center, Umudike, Abia State. You proceed there to get your JAMB form. Next one is Umunnochi. We have Umunnochi. So you proceed to Umunnochi to get your JAMB form. Proceed to Umunnochi. You have Ihechukwu Madubike Institute of Technology. So you proceed to that place to get your JAMB form. So sorry guys, so you proceed to Umunnochi, Ihechukwu Madubike Institute of Technology, Nkwagu, Amuda, Isochi, near Umunnochi Local Government Headquarters, Umunnochi, Abia State. The sixth on our list is Okoko Item. Proceed to JAMB Professional Test Center, Ozo Okagbe, Okoko Item, Bende Local Government Area, Abia State. Okay, you go to that place to get your JAMB form. All right, so make sure you get your profile code ready before that time, so you can go to that place to get your profile code. So if you're having any issues, let me know in the comment section. If you're having any issues with this center, if you're having any issue concerning your registration, let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, share it to your friends. All right, so that they can equally benefit from you from here also. Okay, don't forget, we will never ask you for any money. All right, so until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget that I do love you guys. Peace, and don't forget, keep winning.